Now we will learn about some Xlookup command. So in earlier video, you have gone through that VLOOKUP. Comparing to VLOOKUP, the Xlookup function will help to find the data from any column of your table. So either it may be right side, either it may be left side. So let's come how we can use this Xlookup very easily. So here I'm given some examples, some table I have taken, employee code number and the name of the marketing managers and the type of steel, the what they are doing the marketing and in which city they are doing the business and total sales of that particular month or whatever. So here I'm giving the employee code. By giving that any employee code name, so code, you can find out the that marketing person name. If I given 450, so here it display that name of that marketing manager. So how to give this formula? So here I'm giving the employee code as in VLOOKUP. You can take from the right side to left side. The same things I can use it here. So here I given is equal to Xlookup, and after that I choose the value where I have to look up the value, that is J4, that is present J4, and B2 to B13. So this is my B2 to B13 cell is there, so that I given, and also where I have to get the data from C2 to C13, you can get the data. So 0 y given, you have to find the accurate data, then 1 for true. So when I given this one, automatically this is the name of that given of the employee. If I given 5019, you get that code number, manager name. So like that, by giving the city, you can find the type of steel availability on that city and name of the marketing person who is having the marketing of that particular steel. So here also I given, see Mumbai is present in E column. So that is in city column. So that is E column, you are having the city. So here I'll give that formula because I'm finding the type of the steel which is from right side of your city column. So Xlookup is having the uh, function advantage which you can find from left and right side of the column data. Here again J9 as a cell uh, where I have to take the value and where I have to search that value. I have given the E2 to E13, that city names are present, and also I given the D2 to D13 what data I want, that is here. So then 0, 1 I given, 0 is to find accurate and 1 is for true values. So here when I given that one, automatically display the name of the city, the whatever, sorry, name of, automatically display the name of the steel which is available in that given city. So here in place of Mumbai, I'll give the Delhi. So in Delhi, stainless steel is present. And in Delhi, you can contact the person who is living in Delhi. So like that, you can see that person name. If I given Pune, you display the what you can get data can be get in Pune and the person name. So you can see that person name, Shubhavarni. So like that, by giving that place, you can find the material and which person you have to contact to get that. So like that, by just giving the name of that steel, you can find that code number of that employee and that manager name, and also you can get the city and total sales what are as covered. So in place of here, I'll if I given tool steel. So it is present under Rahul Putti and Kolkata and whatever sales he did. So like that, you can find out the left side data as well as right side data by giving this Xlookup. It is very interesting command. You can use very easily to find the data to and you can save the time. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it.